In this video, we will be discussing the Necturus respiratory system. In the Necturus, lungs are present, but they are minimally functional. So you see the lungs are both on the right and left side. They're like clear bag looking, small, very thin, which is something that we didn't see in the dogfish shark. The dogfish shark was primarily like all lungs, very thick, and instead of like primarily using the lungs for respiration, respiration occurs primarily across the external gills and through the skin. So those are the external gills. More than 90% of oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange occurs via branchial and cutaneous respiration. So branchial would be like external gill slits, and cutaneous is the skin, and slightly more than 8% is pulmonary. Respiratory membranes must be maintained in a moist condition to permit gas exchange. Likewise, amphibian skin is specialized for gas exchange and requires a moist surface. The most obvious organs of respiration in Necturus are three pairs of bushy external gills, located at the posterior boundary of the head. Recall that the gills in the shark are internal, associated with the gill pouches and gill slits. Notice the tremendous vascularity of the gill filaments in injected specimens. A gill slit occurs between the first and second gills and the second and third gills, permitting water to be expelled from the pharyngeal cavity. Gaseous exchange occurs across the membranes of the external gills, and in living specimens in the gills are waved back and forth in the horizontal plane, probably ensuring a fresh supply of water.